Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is unlocked and Bluetooth is on. This lets you see device entries. Once Bluetooth is active, open Settings and navigate straight to Bluetooth or Connections. Do this now. If the device is already paired, you'll spot it in the list. If not, make the device discoverable. Make sure you have permission to rename the device if it's managed by Work Profiles. This step gets you into the right place to change the name quickly and safely. Once you're viewing paired or available devices, tap the device entry or the small info/gear icon next to its name to open details. You'll see an option labeled Rename, Edit, or a Direct Device Name field. Select that. Type the new name, keeping it short and recognizable so other devices display it cleanly. After entering the name, confirm by tapping Save, OK, or Done. This overwrites the previous identifier and broadcasts the new. To finish, verify the new Bluetooth name shows on your phone and the other device. If it doesn't appear, make sure both ends refresh. Once done, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart the phone to force a refresh. This clears cached labels. If problems persist, unpair the device and then repair after renaming. This forces the updated name to sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if managed profiles block renaming, check Work Profile settings or contact your administrator before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.